GPT to find the best psychiatrist that's covered by your insurance. This works for therapists and doctors of all kind. So first you're going to go to whatever your health insurance website is. Mine's Anthem. And you're going to find whatever place on the website lets you find care. So I'm going to go here to find care. And then you can choose which type of doctor you're looking for. Behavioral health for therapy or psychiatry. And it's going to come up with a bunch of doctors. Make sure that you have your zip code typed in at the top. I just use this random one for New York. And this is going to be the doctors that are closest to you. But once you find a list of those doctors that are covered by your insurance, you're going to take the first one on the list and search for their name. Copy and paste it so you get the exact spelling. And the next thing you're going to do is find this extension called Chat GPT. It's an extension for Chrome that gives your Chat GPT internet access. But once you have it downloaded and add it to your extensions list, then you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in what reviews does input the name of the doctor have on ZocDoc and other doctor rating sites. That's all you got to type in, and now that you have this extension, you're going to see it on the right-hand side, and it's going to search the web with ChatGPT. And you can select ChatGPT, or you can select other AIs. I'm going to select Bing, just because sometimes ChatGPT is dumb and thinks it doesn't have internet access, even when it does. Okay, so when it looks it up, it found that on all these different websites, this doctor has 0 ratings. So that doesn't mean that they're not a good doctor, but they're probably not someone who's like up to date on the latest technology. They're not terrible enough for someone to come on here and give them a bad review. So proceed with caution with that person. And if you like doctors that are not up to date with the latest technology, then give them a try. So then you're going to go on to the next doctor and replace their name, Sabrina Spatorno or something like that, and replacing her name at the top. We can erase this part of the title because that might be interfering, although I do prefer to have that because most doctors will have that on their reviews. But if you find nothing, you can try it without it. She does have a fairly unique name, so it might still work. All right, so Bing found some reviews for Sabrina. She's a licensed clinical social worker. So on this website for alcohol treatment, she got 4.9 out of 5 stars based on 14 reviews. That's actually really good. I know that sounds like not a lot of reviews, but when it comes to doctors, they get so few reviews. PSA, if you ever have a doctor that is pretty good, go ahead online and give them a review so people can find them and know that there are good doctors out there. But we want to continue and hedge our bets and see if there are other doctors. So go back to your results and look up the next doctor. And basically that's it. You're just going to keep rinse and repeat this process using this extension to find whether or not these doctors have good reviews and might be somebody worth going to. Okay, so Elmer Morrison is a licensed mental health counselor who provides online therapy through BetterHelp and has 35 reviews on Mind Diagnostics with an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. That's really good. So I would say that this doctor is a great option as well. There you go. Now you know that this person who is covered by your insurance is also a good doctor, and you can look them up. Hopefully that helps.